Hey everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm profiling the Golden Gate Hotel down on Fremont Street in Las Vegas. The Golden Gate is the oldest hotel in Vegas, opening in 1906. The Golden Gate is a very small hotel with even smaller rooms. If you were prepared for the small rooms and the lack of bathroom counter space, you can get a bargain on this hotel. I've seen rates as low as $19 per night before resort fee. There are no restaurants on site, but with easy access to Fremont Street, you have tons of options at your fingertips. There's also no swimming pool, but the bonus of staying at the Golden Gate is you do get access to Circus Stadium Swim. The Golden Gate is a part of the Club One group of properties, which also includes the D and Circa. This hotel is good for a short stay, but if you plan to stay longer, I would recommend one of their suites or one of the sister hotels. But you know what? What it lacks in amenities, it does make up in charm. Thanks everyone for watching my video. If you've liked it, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, comment below if you stayed at the Golden Gate and what your favorite part was. Thanks everyone. See you in the next one.